Hi, today we're going to talk about, can your doctor refuse to prescribe you cannabis? Hello everyone, my name is Randy Caine and I'm the Humble Grower. Cannabis is now legal in Canada and I'm here to show you what I know about this amazing plant. It's a very good question. In Canada, what we have is we have socialized medicine. By that, what I mean is that we all have the right to access health care. What we have in Canada is each physician is obligated under a legal duty of care. In saying that, it doesn't mean that your physician is obligated to always be there for everything. He also has his life, his moral aspects, even his religious beliefs are allowed within our court system to be recognized. So I'll use the example of abortion. Not every physician may agree or support sort of, your desire to have an abortion, but what he would be required to do is help you find a physician that could. So in going in to talk to your physician about the use of cannabis, I would say first off, educate yourself. Come to understand really what your goals are, why you're there asking about this, so that when you begin to talk with your physician, you can begin also to educate. Now, like I say, your physician at this point may feel some resistance, a desire to say, no, look, I really can't get involved with this. Rather than getting aggravated, now might be the time, as much as you're there to ask him questions, is now you could ask him questions about what his concerns are. It might be fair to say, is this a moral concern for you? Is this a religious concern? Try to, flesh out what his concerns, his or her concerns might be under these conditions. You might find that it could have a lot to do with they just don't have the knowledge. And as we've spoken before, many physicians don't. They've been denied that access. Now, if you get to that point of discussion and your physician says, look, I just don't have the knowledge, maybe you can say, well, could you help me? Because ultimately what you're really trying to do is you're trying to continue to work and build on the relationship that you have with your physician. And I think this creates another tremendous opportunity. So like I say on this, does a physician have the right to refuse prescriptions or treatment in Canada under very, very unique and specific conditions? Yes, of course. Each province also has, sort of an acknowledgement of what those legal rights are for physicians. So have a look at that, but ultimately what I'm saying is talk with your physician openly, educate yourself first off, but go in fully armed and sympathetic and compassionate. If you're looking for compassion, demonstrate it first. But don't be afraid. Go in open to your physician, and I'm sure you can work it out. Good luck with that. See you again. I hope you found this useful. I would also recommend that you watch the documentary Demystifying Cannabis on Canada's legalization. You can access that by clicking on the link below.